Before we go into details of measuring migration, let us define some concepts, starting with migration itself. Migration refers to the movement of people across an administrative boundary between countries or within a country with an intention to settle. The minimum duration of stay is usually 1 year. Another concept is international migration. International migration happens when a person moves across national borders. Then we have internal migration. Internal migration happens when a person moves within national borders. Another concept is emigrant. An emigrant is a person who has moved from an area, whilst an immigrant is a person who has moved into an area. We also have another concept of place of origin. Place of origin is where an emigrant has moved from. And the place of destination is an area to which an emigrant has moved. The first measure of migration is out migration rate, denoted O. Out migration rate is the total number of out migrants from a place of origin in a given period divided by the total population in the place of origin. So the out migration rate, we start by dividing the total emigrants, people who have left an area in a certain period, divided by the total population of that area times 1000. The opposite of it is in-migration rate, denoted by the letter I. Is the total number of in-migrants to a place of destination in a given period divided by the total population in the area of destination. As a formula, migration rate is total immigrants in a period divided by total population of an area times 1000. Another measure of migration is the gross migration rate, G. Gross migration rate gives the total number of people that have either moved into or out of an area. In this case, we add in migrants and out migrants in a period divided by the total population of an area at the beginning of a period. So to calculate gross migration rate for a specific area, you simply add in and out migrants and then divide that by the total population of that area concerned. But that population should be at the beginning of the period. And remember, it's per 1000, so you have to multiply it by 1000. And then we have the net migration rate, denoted by the letter N. The net migration rate is the difference between in-migrants and out-migrants divided by the population of the area. A positive N means an area has received more people than it has lost, and the opposite is true when we have a negative N. So net migration rate simply given by in-migrants minus out-migrants in a period divided by the total population of the area concerned, but it should be the total population at the beginning of a period. These are measures of migration. We are now going to move to the models of migration.